welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for September month. Okay, so this is the bag which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. First of all, let's start with the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 555, and they have longer subscriptions as well. And one more thing, I have good news for you that I have a coupon code. The coupon code is Ritu. You have to use Ritu as a coupon code, and you will get 50 rupees off on your 1 month and your 3 month subscription. So this is the offer. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the coupons and the coupon and the buying link and everything in the description box. So just check the description box. Now, first thing is this. This is the bag for September, and you can just see I have this like similar bag. Only this bag, not the front portion. So it's with a twist, I guess. I love the color. And quality, quality of Lady Raga pouches are quite nice. So yes, happy. This is how the bag looks. So this is the bag. Now let's start with the product. So first thing is the info sheet. So this is the info card, actually, not sheet. So let's start with the product. The first one is by Maybelline, and this is the False Push-Up Angel Mascara. And I don't think so I should tell you about Maybelline. Maybelline is like a very known brand. And of course, the star product is this one in the box. It's a mascara, so this is how it looks. 570 is the price for this one. Super happy with this one. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is by Peri-Roda. This is the Organic Magic Scrub. And this is how it looks. It says Bye Bye Tan. The price for this one is 375 rupees. The quantity is 50 grams. The manufacture date is June 2019, best before 16 months from the manufacturing date. Now, let me just read out the ingredient list. It says it has grapefruit peel powder, almond powder, kaolin clay, calamine clay, banana powder, wild turmeric. So, ingredients, yes. All the ingredients sounds really nice, and you just have to mix this powder with water, honey, curd, lemon juice, anything, whatever suits your skin, and then just scrub your face or body for 15 to 20 minutes. You're good to go. So it looks nice. The ingredients are obviously very good, and it's organic. So yes, happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a black beads neck piece, and this is the one. Wow, so pretty. So this is the neck piece. The price for this one is 225 rupees, and this is how it looks. Yes, let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is the look, and you can just see it's looking so pretty. So I love it. Very pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. Oops, it's falling because I have not really tied it, but you can see the look. So it's very pretty, super happy. I will be wearing it and clicking some pictures with it, and I will attach that in the end. So stay connected for that. Now the next one is product of your choice. For that, I have chosen this one. This is the charcoal soap. I don't know why the outer packing, the outer box is missing, but this is by Ahara, and this is the charcoal soap, which I absolutely like. The price I don't really remember, but I guess 200 rupees, I guess. I'm not really sure, but I have chosen this product. And now comes the best part about Lady Raga, which is the surprise gift. So yes, I'm always happy to receive surprise gifted, and I think this is the best part of Lady Raga, because yes, it gives me that really happy feeling when you have something surprise in your box, and the packing is like so nicely done, which I'm not really able to remove. Okay, so this is by Acam, which I can see here, but let me still open it properly. Okay, the Blue Waves moisturizer. So this is the one. I have used it. The fragrance is nice, and it's a body lotion, I guess, moisturizing lotion. Yes. So it's super nice. Happy with this, and of course, as you know, this is a surprise gift, and surprise gift always make me happy. So yes, super happy. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is the Lady Raga vanity bag, which I have showed you. So this is the one. So that's all what I've received in my Lady Raga for September month. As you can see, I have showed you all the product. I love the mascara. Of course, the brand is so nice, known, and of course usable product. I mean, mascara, yes, you need one. Then one product you can choose as per your choice, which is again nice. Then the Bye Bye Tan Scrub is, yeah, it looks nice. So yes, I'm looking forward for this one. So yeah, that's all for Lady Raga for September month. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.